get in there and have a look at this. Beautiful, look at that. Fantastic, fantastic, beautiful cod. Mashed potatoes, parsley sauce, peas. I'm in heaven. Welcome back once again to howtocookgreatfood.com. If you haven't already, please click that button and subscribe to our channel. On the menu today, we're going to be doing cod with a parsley sauce. We're serving this with some mashed potatoes, which is underneath there, and some garden peas there. Let's go and take a look at the ingredients that we need. Okay, so we're going to start off by making our parsley sauce. And by the way, all of the amounts of the ingredients are in the text below. So we've got some milk, salt, pepper, nutmeg, plain flour, butter, and fresh chopped parsley. Let's get to the cooker. Okay, so you need a pan, wooden spoon, and we're going to get our butter, like a tablespoon of butter or a knob of butter, in, and we're gently going to melt that down. Back in a moment. Okay, so that's melted. We're now going to add in some plain flour. Not a crazy amount, like 1 or 2 tablespoons. And we're going to work this in and cook this away for about 4 minutes to get rid of that really floury kind of taste. We want a kind of biscuity, digestive kind of biscuit kind of taste to it. So keep it moving, see in a few minutes. There you go. I've actually just tasted that. You can grab a little bit and taste it, and you'll get that kind of biscuity flavour, which is where you want it to be. Now I'm going to add in some milk. And stir this in and just see how we get on. The flour is obviously going to thicken the milk, and as we stir it and cook it, we'll get rid of all of those lumps. Probably going to take about 5 minutes now, staying on this low heat and stirring all the time. If it gets too thick, just add a bit more milk. See in about 5 minutes. Okay, there you go, and that's looking absolutely fabulous. Nice consistency. We're now going to add in salt, pepper, and a pinch of nutmeg. Okay, off goes the heat. Then we're simply going to add in our chopped parsley. We're going to give that a mix. And there you go, you've got a really simple, basic parsley sauce, which is going to be wonderful once that goes over our fish. Talking of our fish, let's go and take a look at that. Okay, let's move on to our fish. I've got a lovely piece of cod here. Nice thick cut steak there. No bone in it, it's a lovely fillet. A little bit of bay leaf and some milk. What we're going to do is we're going to drop that into the milk. Add the bay leaf. Add a little bit of salt. Get to the cooker and get this on the go. So at the cooker now, we're not on a simmer, we're above a simmer. Pop a lid on that. And for that size, I'm going to let it go for about 8 to 9 minutes. Okay, off goes the heat. Our fish is ready. We can get this all together now. Okay, so we've got mashed potato with the fish on top. Just going to get some peas on there, some green garden peas, and then we've got our parsley sauce, which we're going to pour all over our fish. And that parsley sauce with that mashed potato is delicious. And that's it. Hope you enjoyed that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We'll see you soon. Lots of love.